Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to use OpenAI in Thunkable. First, you will need to create an OpenAI account and generate a secret API key from their platform. This key is essential for your app to communicate with OpenAI's services. Next, open your Thunkable project. Navigate to the Blocks tab, scroll down to the Advanced section, and add the OpenAI Services component to your app. This component simplifies the integration process significantly. Once the OpenAI Services component is added, click its gear icon to access properties. Here, you will paste your secret API key into the designated API key field. For your app's design, include a text input for user queries, a button to trigger the AI request, and a label to display the AI's response. In the Blocks editor, locate the OpenAI Get Completion block, which is central to sending prompts to the AI. To make your app interactive, drag the OpenAI Get Completion block into a When Button Click event. Set the prompt input to the text from your user's input component. You can also select a specific AI model, like GPT 3.5 or GPT-4, within the block settings. After the AI processes the request, its response will be available. Use a set label text to block to show this AI-generated text to your user. To make your app more robust, incorporate error handling using if-do-else blocks to manage unsuccessful API calls. Thunkable's OpenAI integration also supports more advanced features, such as generating images or processing voice input, by using different blocks or configuring the request body. Remember to thoroughly test your app's AI functionality to ensure smooth and accurate interactions, providing a seamless user experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.